step forward, mga kalakihan. Again, sparkle and shine. And for the ladies, we have, ayan, may humabol. Sina?
Please.
We have 6 candidates. Oh, may humabol pa rin. Okay. Ready ba mga kabaihan? We have 7 candidates for the ladies. Can you please step forward, beautiful ladies? Yeah, para makita ko natin. Gentlemen, can you move here? Yeah, tigil no, just move here. Ayan. Sir Jerome, ganito gagawin natin, okay? So, we will choose only one winner for the gentlemen and one winner for the ladies, okay? So, isa't isa from the back of the stage, we will move forward and give the best rampa, okay? So, shine the brightest, sparkle all the way, okay? Bahala kayo, gusto nyo gawin, okay? That's your moment. And habang rumarampa ang bawat kandidato, you will give, okay, your support through clap, shout. And the loudest clap, the loudest cheer, yun ang ating magiging winners for our king and queen of the night for this event. So, ladies and gentlemen, can you please step backwards?
Para sa rampa, sabi nga ni Sir McCoy. Okay? So we're going to start with doon muna sa mga
Kalalakihan.
kalalakihan.
Okay? So, candidate number 1 will start from you, sir. Okay? Candidate number 1.
Music, please.
Wow, that's confidence.
Si Sir na yan.
Thank you, sir. That's candidate number 1.
May diamond.
Candidate number 2.
Yan. Woo!
So, diba? Sabi nyo, sparkle. Ayan, check on his pants and his shoulders and core. Candidate number 3. Give your support for candidate number 4. Thank you, gentlemen. Sir Jerome, let's call on the ladies.
Ladies. Candidate number 1, please.
Step forward. Sunday 544, wearing a black dress with glitters
By Rahul Laurel.
and a slip on the left. There you go. There you go. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Candidate number 2.
Sabi nyo, sparkly. Ayan, sparkly all the way.
Next, we have candidate number 3. Sparking din siya.
Ah, di ba? Parehas sila ng nirentahan ni candidate number 2.
Wow. Alam ko na, tatalo mo sa Pia Boys. Thank you, candidate number 3. May we call on candidate number 4.
It's their time to shine.
Galing,
Ayan, oh.
galing ng Alaska.
Haban yan.
Yes. Pizza ng may-ari na iniraman ni candidate number 1 and 2.
Woo!
At kanyang nahiraman.
Okay.
Candidate number 5.
Ilaw! 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 Ilaw!
Samahan mo kaya?
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. Hindi pa pakabot. Candidate number 6.
Ah! Woo!
What a beautiful gown. Ang supplier na mamahinga naman ng gowns ng first candidates. Thank you so much. Candidate number 7.